Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen assembly on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2021 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, remove the back cover and then undo 11 screws to take out the logic board frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, pull out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue under the battery. And then use a pry tool or car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, unplug 2 antenna heads. And then pull out the main ribbon connector cable by disconnecting from both ends. Next, undo the screw on the charging port board. Next, pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, take out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, take out the Stylus Pen. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and fingerprint plug from the logic board. And then undo 2 screws securing the board. Next, gently pull out the antenna cables. And then slowly pull out the logic board from the frame. Next, apply some heat and pull out the earpiece module. Now, the only remaining part is a broken screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are two different screen types. One is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And the price difference is slight. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place and secure the logic board on the frame. Next, secure the board by adding 2 screws and the SIM tray. Next, connect both LCD and fingerprint flex connectors to the board. Next, secure the earpiece. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, place and secure the charging port board, and then secure the screw. Next, secure the antenna cables to the frame, and then connect them to the charging port board. Next, place and secure the main flex cable. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the Stylus Pen. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the battery plug and secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Before closing the device, turn on the device for testing. Once the testing has passed, start closing the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.